This video will walk you through how to invite your staff to create lists with Syndetics Unbound's Librarian Recommends lists. Librarian Recommends uses a secondary admin system, which is easy to access directly through your catalog. This lets it be somewhat separate from the Syndetics Unbound admin so that the larger administration of Syndetics Unbound isn't open to your whole staff. In the Syndetics Unbound admin, you can invite members of your staff to make Librarian Recommends accounts. Go to Lists and scroll down to Invite Librarians to make lists. There are two methods to invite staff to make accounts, one by one or a group invitation. Send email allows you to enter an email address to send an individual invite code. The person will then get an email with a link to create their account. The second way is a group invitation, which provides you with a message that includes an invite code and a URL. You can just copy and paste this section and include it in an email or bulletin to all library staff. In both cases, they will then be prompted to go to this site to create their account with the invite code. Once your staff have created accounts, you'll see them reflected back in the Syndetics Unbound admin under Account Users. They'll be marked as List Creator. Users with the List Creator permissions can only log into Librarian Recommends. They cannot access the Syndetics Unbound admin site. Lastly, your existing login information from the Syndetics Unbound admin will also work to log into Librarian Recommends. So you or any other staff that might already have a Syndetics Unbound admin account are already all set. Happy list making!